Hi, we're at 1090 Chestnut, and it's the 8th of December, 8th of January, sorry. We're gonna show you some of the issues we have with the installation up here. First issue is the drawings show, we have snap ties or zip ties here to simulate our cinch points. And number one is the contractor is asking, your drawings show that the cinch points need to be on these vertical wires here, and we're finding in a lot of locations that joining the horizontal cables would be a lot more constructible and more secure. Secondly, it's the clearance from the top of these elements. Your drawing shows a 6 inch minimum, 8 inch maximum, which doesn't really give us hardly any leeway, but it looks like in order to get the best purchase on these, we need to be lower. This is about
8 inches.
8 to 11 would allow us to grab the elements at the meat, rather than trying to pinch them above the elements. So that's that question. And then at the bottom, we have the drawing shows a 2 inch maximum for this cinch point, and that's very difficult, because if we put it that far, the exterior wants to rise.
Both sides. This is, as soon as you tighten anything up, they just snug up and it rises it.
Right, it pulls the net away from the elements, which is what we don't want. What we'd like to do is move the cinch point so that the next layer of cable is holding it, which allows the net to stay down rather than lift. Hope that's clear. But so that's the first thing we're asking, is move these clips up from the bottom and down from the top, and also use the horizontal cables where necessary. Do we have the flexibility to use the horizontals as well as the vertical cables?